Hi, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to download mp3 music on Android phone. The steps are easy and simple. So the first step you have to take is to open your browser. For this video, I'll be making use of my Google browser. Click on this, type in tubdd.com. tubdd.com. So right here on this new website, all I have to do is to choose the modes or genres of the song that I want to hear, or I could just scroll gently and select the particular song from this suggested songs or music. If I can't find it here and I know the artist, all I have to do is to type in the name of the song and the artist. So right here, all I have to do is to click on the particular music from the list of music. Click on the download option. So right here, I just have to click on the download option in order to allow the song to download to my. See, it's downloading already. You just have to click on the open here in order to open the file on your device, and now I can play it. So guys, that is it on how to download mp3 music on Android phone. If this step was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.